For the punch card, you're going to be using two different color yarns, where one is already set in, and the second one you're going to thread through the second set of holes, washer, hook, and tension spring. And for now, I'm just going to position it in the slot. To work with the punch card, you need two clips to fasten the punch card, and the punch card itself, which actually has the numbers from 1 to usually 57, and 2 rows of perforated holes on both ends, which you're going to match and fasten it along these 2 holes on both sides. The punch card settings are indicated with the red dot, small triangle, and a long triangle. Red dot position, the card is currently locked. If you move the lever to the triangle, you unlock the card, and the long triangle indicate card unlocked, but only makes a pattern every alternate row. So for now, I'm just going to lock the card and set it in. The punch card goes into the slot. Make sure that it goes in straight. You're going to press on the knob and turn it until a good portion of the punch card comes out on the other side. I'm going to match the holes on both sides of the punch card. The side that is closer to you goes over the side that is on the other side of the slot. You're going to put the fastener in, snap, snap. One side, and the other side, exactly the same procedure. In, snap, snap. Your card is ready to be used, and for now we're just going to leave it locked and move on to the carriage setting. Okay, carriage is still on normal. It's currently on the right. I'm going to move it to the left and set this knob to KC, which is card knitting. My card is still locked very steadily to the right, and you can see that the carriage selected needles according to your pattern. You're in a very good shape now. You're going to reach for your second color. Put it through the feeder B, just slide it in. And the second color, so that it doesn't come out, needs to be tied to the clump. All set, 2 colors. I'm going to leave this knob at KC, press the button in the center, MC multicolor, unlock the card, and very steadily, both hands, beautiful. This is the left side of your knitting, and the right side, go ahead, and the right side is beginning to show pattern. I'll show you a little bit more in a minute. Pattern would obviously come out depending on the card that you are using. So there's an endless variety of patterns. And for one color knitting, you're going to start practically in the same way. The carriage goes to the left, KC, cord knitting, to the right once, needle selection. I'm going to press tug buttons and unlock the card. Let's just hope for the best. Tuck stitch actually shows on the left side of your knitting. In other words, the side of the fabric that's facing you ends up being the right side of the fabric. And the other option that you have here is part, which is also one color stitch. You're going to again set the knob at KC, card knitting, while your card is locked. Carriage to the left, needle selection, just the other needle selection, and I'm going to press both part buttons at this point, unlock the card, and resume. Again, with this stitch, the side of the fabric that's facing you ends up being the right side. However, there are variations with all the stitches, various experiments with different colors where you can alternate color every 2 rows and achieve certain pattern on the other side.